Good morning to you, welcome. This is Andy Wright Travel, Andy Wright here, and some news that came out today. This is quite important because it is going to affect you if you use the trains in Thailand. Basically, they have a new hub, a new rail hub, and it's obviously moving from the old station, even though the old station is still going to be open. They're not going to be doing journeys from there, so you have to go to this new one, which is Krongset Apiwat Central Terminal, and this is where all long distance and trains will be going from now. It's just opened. In fact, there's 52 long distance services, and they're going to be relocated from Hua Lamphong. Remember, I've actually done a video from there in series 5. We went to Hua Lamphong on a rail journey going from Bangkok to Chiang Mai. We did that trip, 12 hours, and it was okay, enjoyable, but I don't know if I would do it again. It's probably easier just to fly. However, if you're a rail fan and you enjoy trains, or you just want to experience it, then the new station apparently is very nice. This is a report in news, Tat News, to Thailand News outlet, and we can have a look at it. So let's have a look. It was reported, first of all, I saw it on Twitter, but this is actually the web for Tat News. So Thailand travel news we have. So it's a new opening from the 19th of January this year. So there are 14 northern, 27 and 18 northeast routes that are going to be moved from the old station, which was Hua Lamphong station. And this is actually a new build. It's been in the progress for a few years, and I did report on this a while back, but it's Chatuchak Park, so you will be able to get to it on the BTS and things like that. So there is public transport available, and obviously being a new build, it will have better accessibility. I need to go there and have a look at it. So this was the State Railway, SRT. They've relocated, effective from 19th, 52 long distance rapid and express train services. And this obviously, from this date, tourists will need to go there to catch their trains. And also the internal inbound trains to Bangkok will also arrive there. The new terminal is the main train station of Thailand, designed to be a rail hub. It's located near the famous Chatuchak weekend market, close to BTS and the MRT. So, and there's also a Bangkok bus terminal as well nearby. The opening, the SRT will operate a air-conditioned diesel train for tourism, and of course the first long-distance train is train number 171, and this goes to the Thai-Malaysian border. Trains bound for the south will use the elevated railway, which obviously joins in to this hub. Ordinary trains will continue to operate from Hua Lamphong station as usual. So this is suburban trains, special tourism, and things like that. And these will stop at Samsen and obviously the new terminal, and then use the elevated railway, which we do have up in Khon Kaen now. So they've obviously finished that. and it goes all the way up to the border, up north. So this is pretty nice looking. Obviously I need to go and have a look at it to see what it's like. So there you go, that's the news from Thailand. The new rail hub in Thailand is open for business. That's it from me. Don't forget, like and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.